Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi option missing on Windows settings. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Find WLAN auto config service. Just double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service if it is stopped and then select OK and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the network adapter section and just need to right click on where network adapter and select properties. Go to power management tab and check these options guys. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. And again right click and select update drivers. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the correct driver and select next option and this will install it. After the installation done, check if it is works. If it doesn't fix your problem, then right click and select the uninstall device option and select yes. And now we have uninstalled the network adapter. Just to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will automatically reinstall the deleted driver. And if this method 2 doesn't fix your problem, method 3 you just need to go to search menu and type system configuration. Click on open it. Go to services tab and select this enable all option and select apply and OK. Select the restart option and restart OPC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.